English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 14. Responses to keep the conversation going. I went to a new cafe yesterday. How would you reply? What would a native say? Oh, really? Oh, really? It rained all day yesterday. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? I see. I see. I started going to the gym this week. What would friends say? What do people actually say? Nice. Nice. I watched movies at home all weekend. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? What did you watch? What did you watch? I was really busy yesterday. What would you say here? What's the natural response? That sounds rough. That sounds rough. I bought a new phone. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Let me see. Let me see. I started running recently. What's a natural reply? How would a native answer? How's it going? How's it going? I went to Hokkaido the other day. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? How was it? How was it? I barely slept last night. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? You okay? You okay? I heard this place is really popular. Here's another common reply. What would you say? I'd love to check it out. I'd love to check it out. You seem busy lately. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? Yeah, I have been. Yeah, I have been. I got a haircut today. How would you keep the conversation going? What do people actually say? It looks great. It looks great. I tried a new restaurant yesterday. How would you show interest? How would you say it? How was the food? How was the food? It's been a hectic morning. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? Are things better now? Are things better now? I've been practicing the guitar lately. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? I'd love to hear you play. I'd love to hear you play. Oh, really? Oh, really? I see. I see. Nice. Nice. What did you watch? What did you watch? That sounds rough. That sounds rough. Let me see. Let me see. How's it going? How's it going? How was it? How was it? You okay? You okay? I'd love to check it out. I'd love to check it out. Yeah, I have been. Yeah, I have been. It looks great. It looks great. How was the food? How was the food? Are things better now? Are things better now? I'd love to hear you play. I'd love to hear you play. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.